How to make highlights on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add highlights to your profile on Instagram so that you can highlight your favorite stories on your profile. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'll quickly change to a test account. And there's actually two different ways to make a highlight on Instagram. First, if you've recently posted a story, you can simply open your story by selecting your profile picture. And at the bottom of your story, you'll see highlight. So if you select that, you can then create a new highlight by first giving it a name and then selecting add. Once you do that, it'll say added to highlights. And now if you select view on profile, you'll see the highlight added to your profile. Additionally, if you want to make Instagram highlights from stories that you previously posted on Instagram, you could do that by first navigating to your profile on Instagram, then select the three lines in the top right of the app to open the menu, and then select archive. From here, make sure it says Stories Archive in the top, and you'll see a history of all the stories you posted on Instagram. Find and select the story that you want to add as a highlight, and then just go to the bottom and select Highlight. You can then add it to a previously made highlight, or you can create an entirely new highlight. I'll just add it to the previous one. From there, just select the X, go back to your profile, and refresh, and then when you go to that highlight, you'll see both the stories that you added to that highlight. And that's how you make highlights on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.